In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make funk music in Suno AI. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Before we jump into Suno, it helps to prepare a great style prompt, because that's what tells the AI exactly what kind of track you want. To generate that quickly, search for ChatGPT and open the official site. Once you're in, ask it to craft a funk style prompt. Be specific about mood, tempo, instruments, and vocals. For example, you might request something with a groovy, playful mood, an energetic funk vibe at 105 BPM, featuring confident vocals, slap bass, rhythmic guitars, and tight drums. The more clearly you describe the sound you're after, the better the result. Submit your request, and when the prompt is generated, highlight it and copy it. Now head over to Suno AI and open the Create page. In the Styles field, paste the style prompt you just copied. This gives Suno a clear sonic direction. Think of it like your track's blueprint. Next, let's prepare lyrics. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write original lyrics that match the funk genre. You can use a subject like a journey of faith, or change it to any theme you want. Mention that you want verses, a catchy chorus, and maybe a short bridge, and keep the language rhythmic and upbeat to fit funk's groove. Submit your request and wait for the lyrics to generate. If the output is longer than you need, trim it down so the song feels tight and focused. When you're happy, copy all the lyrics. Return to Suno and find the lyrics field. Paste your lyrics there. Make sure the text is clean, no extra spacing or stray characters. If you see any odd formatting, tidy it up so the AI reads everything clearly. With your style and lyrics in place, click Create. Suno will start generating your music. This can take a little time, so be patient. When it finishes, listen closely to the result. You can always go back and refine your style prompt, tweak the tempo, the energy, or call out specific instruments more strongly, or adjust the lyrics for better phrasing and repetition. Small improvements here can make a big difference in the final groove. And that's it. You've just guided Suno AI to make a funk track from scratch using a clear style prompt and custom lyrics. Give it a try, experiment with different moods and tempos, and enjoy the process of crafting your own funky sound.